Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new, you are welcome. So as you can notice, I'm not wearing any makeup. So that is because I'll be sharing with you guys what I use on my face, one of the home remedy that I use on my face. So I'll be using a tomatoes face mask with just one ingredient, so it can lighten up, your dark spots, this area of your eyes, can brighten it up, because tomatoes brighten up skin, makes you look younger. Okay, so we will just go direct to the video. So before we go to the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Like, comment, and click the notification bell below so that you can get notified whenever I post a new videos. Okay, so guys, let's go right into the video. So this is the tomato that I will be using. So I'm going to cut it into 2 parts. Okay, so in case if you don't know, tomatoes can brighten skin, and it can give a youthful appearance. It can glue skin also, and then it can also reduce excess production of oil from your face. Okay, so it removes dark spots, dirty and dead skin, and it helps to fight acne as well. Okay, so there's a lot of benefits from tomatoes. So guys, I just finished cleaning my face, so I just clean my face first, so before I will use the tomatoes on my face. So I will use it as mask. You just have to get your tomato, then use it to rub your face in circular motion. The tomatoes is very cold so you just have to rub it in circular motion and just continue the process. Rub it like at least 2 minutes before you can stop. So you just have to continue rubbing. So if you know you have a sensitive skin, so I wouldn't advise you to use this mask like every day, so it's not advisable. But if you know you have oil face, then it's advisable to use it, even if you want to use it like every evening, so because it reduces oil from the face. Okay, so you can use it. It really helps a lot. So you just have to continue rubbing, or should I say scrubbing or rubbing? Okay, so that's it guys. Then you just have to continue, and then you can later wash it out of your face. So guys, I'm almost done, so I just continue the process rubbing it. So I will just go and wash it out. See you guys later. Just let me wash it and come back. Okay, so guys, I just finished washing my face. It looks so soft. So as you can see, in this other side I still have these dark spots here. So I still have the dark spot on the other side. So in this area, that is where I have the dark spot. So the underside is almost finished. So I'm still continuing using things that will clear this face, like seriously guys. But I'm happy though, because it's more better now, like than before. Is more better, seriously. So please, so guys, in whatever thing that you are using, so you just have to be consistent. Okay, so don't just use it once, then you think you will get a result. No, at least you have to use it days, like 2 days, 3 days, a week, or 2 weeks, because everybody's skin are not the same. So what work for me might not work for you, but you just have to continue trying. So that is what I'm doing. So I just have to try, continue to try. So if you have any moisturizing cream, then you just have to use it on your face to massage your face, rub your face. So me, I'm using coconut. So if you have coconut oil, like virgin coconut oil, you can still use it also on your face. So you just have to rub it like as if you are massaging your face, So you just have to continue, rub it very well. So that is it. So you just have to, don't give up on your skin. So you just have to try. So if you see my skin before, like maybe I've already showed a picture of my previous video. So if you see my skin before, then you will know that I've really gone far, like with what I'm using. So you just have to continue using. Don't give up, okay? Use whatever that you are using. If it works for you, continue using it. Be consistent. Don't stop. Don't give up, okay? We move, huh? So guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, okay? Subscribe to my channel so that I can share with you a lot of videos like this, okay? So see you guys. So what do you think about the face? It's glowing, no? So I forgot to say it before. This tomatoes mask is not just for girls. Men can use it also, okay? So the men can try it as well. It works super well. See you guys. Bye bye.